Hello friends, welcome to exam quiz. In this video, we'll be doing sports current affairs, 80 most important questions. So let's begin. Recently, which country won the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025? Which country won the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 in September 2025? Who has won the men's single title at the US Open 2025? Which team won the Tata IPL 2025 title? Which country won Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Which zone has won the title of 62nd edition of Dulip Trophy? Which state topped the medal tally at the first Khelo India Water Sports Festival? Who won the women's single title in French Open 2025? Which country won the Men's Cricket Asia Cup 2025? Which country won the World Championship of Legends title in August 2025? Who won the first Chess Esports World Cup in August 2025? Who has won this 12th edition of Pro Kabaddi League 2025? Who won the men's single title at the Rolex Paris Masters 2025? Who won Canada Open 2025? How many medals did India win at the Asian Youth Games 2025? Who won the Copa America Femina title in August 2025? What was India's position at the Under-17 World Wrestling Championship? Who won women's single title at the Cincinnati Open? Which country won gold medals in both men's and women's at the Pan American Hockey Cup? Which country won the Asia's Women's Rugby Under-20 Championship? Which state won Junior National Women's Hockey Championship? Which medal did India win at the Sultan of Johor Cup 2025? Which country won Women's Blind Football World Cup 2025? Who has become India's 90 chess grandmaster? Which club won Indian Football Association Shield? Which country won the FIFA Under-20 World Cup in October 2025? Who won Formula 1 United States Grand Prix? Who won Formula 1 Mexico Grand Prix? What is India's rank in the medal tally after the Archery World Cup? Which country won both men's and women's Kabaddi titles at the 2025 Asian Youth Games? Which club won the UEFA Football Super Cup 2025? Who won the NSW Squash Bega Open 2025 title? Which medal Neeraj Chopra won at the Diamond League 2025? Who won women's single title at the Saipan International Badminton Competition 2025? Who won the 13th Norway Chess 2025 Open category? Which state topped medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games? Which club won the football tournament Durand Cup 2025? Who won the Women Ballon d'Or 2025? Which team won the Lever Cup 2025? Who became the first player to win Player of the Year award a record 3 times? Which country won the SAFE Under-17 Championship? Which country won the title of ICC Champions Trophy 2025? How many medals did India win at the Asian Wrestling Championship? Which state won the title of Ranji Trophy 2024-2025? Which club won the Spanish Super Cup 2025? Who has won the men's single title in the Tennis Italian Open 2025? Which club won the title of La Liga 2024-2025? Which state topped the medal tally of Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Which country won the SAFE Under-19 title in May 2025? Which club won the title of UEFA Europe League 2025? Who won the Formula 1 Hungarian Grand Prix? Which country has historically won the Under-18 and Under-21 titles at the World Archery Youth Championship? Who won the Formula 1 Dutch Grand Prix? Who won the Fujairah Global Superstar Chess Tournament? Who became first Indian to win World Youth Scramble Championship? Who has won Formula 1 Italian Grand Prix? At what position did India finish in the medal tally at the World Archery Youth Championship? Which country won football tournament FIFA Nations Cup? Who won the Formula 1 Azerbaijan Grand Prix? Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-2025 title? Which country won men's and women's title in Kho-Kho World Cup? How many medals did India win at Special Olympics Winter Games? Who won the men's single title at Australian Open 2025? Which club won the title Indian Super League 2025? Which player was awarded the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna in January 2025? Who has won the women's single title at Miami Open Champion 2025? Which football club won the title of Kalinga Super Cup 2025? Which state topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Which country won the title of the Sudirman Cup 2025? Which team has won the title of Women's Premier League 2025? Which football club has won the title of Copa del Rey Cup 2025? Who won the men's single title at Indian Open 2025? Who topped the Khelo India Winter Games medal tally 2025? Which state or union territory won the 2024-2025 Dr. B.C. Roy Trophy? Who won the title of the Japan Open 2025 tennis tournament? Who won the title of the 62nd National Chess Championship 2025? Which country topped the medal tally at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? How many medals did India win at the 2025 World Para Athletic Championship? Which team won the Irani Cup 2024-2025 cricket tournament? How many medals did India win at the Para World Archery Championship held in Gwangju, South Korea? Friends, if you know this answer, then the comment box is open for you. So friends, these were the top 80 questions could be asked in competitive exams like SSC and UPSC. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.